Hello, ladies and girls and men and boys, YouTubers and YouTuberettes. This is a true story. For all of you who are planning to celebrate July 4th, Independence Day in the United States, the birthday of our great nation, celebrate with care. Drive safely. This could happen to you. Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th. Then he headed back to Memphis from up north. The red lights getting nearer, blinking in the rearview mirror. Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th. In the car with him were two wild and crazy guys, Bach and Brahms singing rockabilly lullabies. Oh, they really should pull over. Not one of them was sober. Beethoven had a fifth. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Finally came to a stop at Grinder's Switch. Actually, Beethoven rolled it over into a ditch. And when their breath was tested, all three men were arrested. Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th. Beethoven rolled it over into a field of clover. Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th. Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th. Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th. Well, Beethoven had a fifth on the 4th.